Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of x. This is equal to 10 over 81. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide a solution from here. Now, this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2, then plus 3 to the power of x. This is equal to 10 over 81. The next step is that 3 to the power of x is common here. We can factor out 3 to the power of x, so that now into the parentheses we have 3 squared, which is 9, then plus 1. This is equal to 10 over 81. The next step is that we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. This is equal to 10 over 81. So let's multiply both sides by 1 over 10. Also you have 1 over 10. Let's simplify here. So we have 3 to the power of x. This is equal to, now here 10 and 10 here simplify, so we have 1 over 81. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides, so that we have log 3 to the power of x. This is equal to log 1 over 81. The next step is that log 3 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power property of logarithm, then we have that log 3 to the power of x becomes x log 3. This is equal to log 1 over 81. The next step is to divide both signs by log 3. Also here we have log 3. So that now we simplify log 3 and log 3. Now let's simplify log 3 and log 3 here. So that now we have x is equal to log 1 over 81 divided by log 3. The next step is that log 1 over 81, this is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a, but log 1 over 81 is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a minus log b. So that now x here is equal to, this is log 1 divided by log 3. Then subtract log 81 divided by log 3. The next step is that we can express 81 basically as 3 to the power of 4. So we have here x is equal to log 1 over log 3. Then subtract log 3 to the power of 4 divided by log 3. Now, applying the power rule property here, log 3 to the power of 4 becomes, in this case we have here log 1 over log 3. Subtract, now here we'll have 4 log 3 divided by log 3. So from here, let's simplify log 3 and log 3, so that now we have that x is equal to log 1 divided by log 3, subtract 4. The next step from here is that log 1 over log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this property, then we have that x is equal to log 1 to base 3 subtract 4. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of x here, which is log 1 to base 3 minus 4, satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 3 to the power of x plus 2, then plus 3 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 10 over 81. Substituting the value of x here, then we have 3 raised to the power of log 1 to base 3, subtract 4, then plus 2, then plus 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3, subtract 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 10 over 81. Now, here we have 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 minus 4 plus 2. This becomes minus 2. Then plus 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 minus 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 10 over 81. Now, 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 minus 2 and 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 minus 4. This is in the form of a to the power of n minus m, which we can express as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 divided by 3 to the power of 2, then plus, here we have 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3 divided by, now here we'll have 3 to the power of 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 10 over 81. The next step is that we have 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, which is supposed to give us a value of b. So let's apply this logarithm property so that 3 to the power of log 1 to base 3, this essentially is equal to 1. Let's substitute this one so that now we have 1 over 3 squared, which is 9, then plus, here we have 1 over 3 to the power of 4, which is equal to 81. This should give us a value of 10 over 81. Now, we have that here, the LCM here is 81. So that now, 81 divided by 9, this is equal to 9. Then plus 81 divided by 81 is 1. 1 times 1, this is equal to 1. And this is supposed to give us a value of 10 over 81. Now, if you check here, we have 9 plus 1. This is equal to 10 divided by 81. This is equal to 10 over 81. So this implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And this implies that the value of x here, which is equal to log 1 to base 3 minus 4, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.